Good morning children. Today I will be teaching you simple interest. So children, money kept in a saving account in a bank increases over the time because the bank pays some money on the money deposited. So when you deposit some amount of money in the bank, so why? Because bank is giving you some extra money in lieu of the money deposited in the bank. So if you borrow some money from a money lender, so you will repay more money because the money lender will charge some additional money in lieu of money used by you. So this additional money that you are giving to the money lender or that bank is given to you. So this additional money is known as interest. So here you should be familiar with few terms. Principal, the money borrowed or lent or invested is known as principal. If you are investing any money in the bank or you are borrowing from your friend, so that money is known as principal. It will be denoted by capital P. Next is interest. The additional money that will be paid by the borrower to the money lender or that will be given to you by the bank in lieu of money deposited is known as the interest. And the amount. The total money paid by the borrower to the money lender is known as amount. Amount formula is principal plus interest. So if P, capital P denotes the principal and I the interest paid and capital E the amount, then amount equal to P plus I, principal plus interest. And if rate, if it is the rate interest on rupees 100 for 1 year. So thus a rate of 5% means that interest paid on rupees 100 for 1 year is rupees 5. Time, it is the time for which the money is borrowed from the bank or from the money lender. Simple interest, it is the interest calculated on the original money that you are depositing in the bank. So bank is giving to you or you are borrowing from the money lender or from your friend at given rate of interest for any given time. Now children, today I will be teaching you one formula of simple interest, that is principal into rate into time upon 100. In short, we can write down SI equal to P into R into T upon 100, principal into rate into time upon 100, where P denote the principal, R rate of interest, T for which the money is borrowed, and I is the simple interest. Children, example number 1 I will explain you. If suppose rupees 3500 is given at 7% per annum simple interest, and you have to find the interest which will be received at the end of 2 years. So here you will see what is the principal 3500 and what is the rate of interest 7% per annum, and what is the time 2 years, and you have to calculate the interest. So interest formula is simple interest equal to P into R into T upon 100. So principal is P, that is 3500, rate is 7 and time is 2 years upon 100. So when 20 will be cancelled, we will have 35 into 7 into 2, that is rupees 490. So interest received at the end of 2 years is rupees 490. Example number 2 children, when you have to find out amount. Find the simple interest on rupees 1500. On rupees 1500 it means 1500 is principal at 6% per annum. 6% per annum is rate for 3 years. What is 3 years? Time. Also find the amount. It means you have to find out simple interest also and amount also. So simple interest formula is P into R into T upon 100. P is 1500, rate is 6% per annum, time is 3 years upon 100. So 20 will be cancelled, and on multiplying 15 into 6 into 3 we will get 270. This is the simple interest calculated. And now you have to find out amount also. Amount equal to P plus I, principal plus simple interest. So principal was 1500 and simple interest we have calculated 270. So it will come out 1770. 1770 is the amount. Example number 3 children, when you have to find out again interest and amount. If rupees 9600 is invested for 2 years 4 months, time is 2 year 4 months at 7 whole number 1 upon 2% per annum simple interest, and you have to find out the interest and the amount. So here you will see principal is 9600 and time is 2 year 4 months. 2 years 4 months. So 2 years 4 months you will convert into years. You will divide by 12. So it will become 2 whole number 4 upon 12. Then 4 into 1, 4 into 3. So it will 2 whole number 1 upon 3. That will be 7 upon 3 years. So time is 7 upon 3 years. And the rate is 7 whole number 1 upon 2% per annum. 2 into 7, 14 plus 1, 15. 15 upon 2% per annum. So simple interest is P into R into T upon 100. P is 9600, rate is 15 upon 2, time is 7 upon 3 upon 100. So on cancellation we will get it 1680. 1680 is simple interest. And now we have to calculate amount. Amount is principal plus interest. Principal is 9600 and interest is 1680 we have calculated. So it will come out 11,280. Thank you children.